to present today's assembly. Let us begin our day by seeking God with a soulful prayer song. My lamb, everything my lamb, everything my need, everything my weakness. Welcome Rutvik, who will extend a warm greeting to all. Respected principal, dear teachers, and my beloved friends, we the first standard students extend a heartfelt welcome to all of you to this special assembly